Hi North River Garden Club. This week we're talking about starting a perennial garden. When trying to decide on the perfect spot for your perennial garden, consider the following: ease of access, proximity to outdoor living areas, visibility from inside your home, amount of shade or sun in that area. If you have the space available, beds that are 6 feet wide or wider look more pleasing. Designing your perennial garden. Start off by measuring the proposed site. Sketch the layout, then locate any existing structures or plants and add them to your sketch. Then, sketch the desired outline of your perennial bed. Here are some things to think about when adding plants: the elevation of your area, shade or sun, texture, color, bloom time, and compatibility. Other things to consider: place plants with similar water needs together, place plants of the same variety in groups of 3, 5, or 7 to increase the impact of colors and textures, use taller plants in the back and shorter plants in the front, and consider the mature size of each plant and plan accordingly to leave space for growth. Soil preparation. Prepare the site by removing any existing grass or plant materials. You may want to install edging to prevent turf grass from creeping into your beds. If needed, incorporate soil amendments. Starting to plant. When planting, place the plant at the same soil level as they were in the container. Avoid planting perennials too deep, since doing so can suffocate the plant roots. Perennials grown in containers may be planted anytime during the growing season. Plant so that they can become established before the start of winter and dormancy. After planting, make sure to water well and watch for any settling. Maintenance and mulching. Perennial garden maintenance during the growing season consists of weeding, deadheading, and pest control. Early spring and fall maintenance includes trimming and removing old leaves. Less cutback is suggested during the fall in order to support winter pollinators and wildlife. Mulching is one way to reduce the amount of weed growth, and it helps conserve water. A great website to visit is plantselect.org. They have really awesome design tips, educational video series, and free downloadable designs to help you get inspired.